What's up, you guys? I'm here with Steve Molina. He's going to help me out set up my 2019 Ram Rebel. We're setting up some EpYx N-Fab steps today, and it's going to be awesome, just so the Lady Frank can get in and out of the truck.
Look at that. I think this guy's been doing this for a while now. This is always the best part, getting into the goodies.
Here we go.
Strap together. Oh, good. It comes with two of them.
So far, so good.
Let's see here. Let's make sure. For the big reveal. Yeah. Look at that. Those look good. You got the N-Fab logo right there.
All textured up.
Yeah. It's pretty good. Did you have to pay extra for the powder coating, or does it come like this?
I can't make.
Just comes like this?
Came just like this.
Very cool. Alright, so the first part we're going to do here is get the brackets on. This truck's actually really cool. So here's these brackets. Something really nice about the Rebel, we'll go underneath here, is you can see they actually have these pens in place. Let's see if we can't get the lighting. There we are. Already on the truck, so you don't have to worry about adding anything here, making sure you have the right size bolts. These come from the factory. You got some nuts with you?
No, not yet.
No nuts?
Right.
You keep your nuts with you all the time.
Do you have some money?
Not for this truck. Do these kind of things.
Okay.
There you go.
You got these. The other ones? Are these the small ones?
Yep, those are all small ones right there.
Here, I'll give you one.
Keep them low into the sun.
What's that?
You keep dipping the camera too low into the sun, and so the exposure keeps changing. As you can see, these brackets are ambidextrous. They're these little cutouts here. Let it go into any part of this pattern that they have. So you don't have to be concerned about if you have the wrong bracket or not. Right, hold on. Before you get too far there, this is the part of the video where I have to keep training for a Spartan race. So, how many curls you want to do? You're gonna do the, what do they call those ones? Where you do that, like, you know what's weird? Like when I was doing those, it always makes my lip like do this weird thing.
You got a twitch?
Yeah, I always have like this twitch in my lip. I guess that makes sense why we don't need Loctite. So all these little grooves here. So all these little grooves here are actually supposed to bite down on the metal after you screw it in, so they should keep themselves from backing out. This is looking pretty good. I think you're gonna like it. So, all right. So just kind of like, remember that show with the bus and stuff, and they move the bus? This is the big reveal, and I'm seeing it. Audience is seeing it. Now, if only the man of the hour can see it.
Those are slick. I like them. Right on.
Pretty solid.
Right on.
Yep. And then once you get them secure, right, we'll get rid of this gap here. Tuck them up a little bit tighter.
Like that.
That's gonna look real good. It does look real good. Once it's all proper fit, it's gonna be real good. All right, cool. All right, so this is the part where we go side one complete and then we high five. So we go side one complete. All right. All right, so the problem that we have is that there's this little burr right here. It's actually just enough to stop this from going all the way through. And we could technically screw around it, but when we get to the square part of the head, we're gonna have an issue. So we gotta figure out a way to cut this off here. So a little file should do it. If not, hammer and screwdriver.
So we're taking this off, right?
Yeah, well, you can leave that on actually, 'cause, I mean, it just slides on. But yeah, just tighten that down and then. All right, if you want to grab the impact, we'll ugga dugga down, and then we can actually torque it to spec.
Are we gonna finish up the, or you just want to do this as a process?
No, just gonna double check these ones to make sure that now that I've tightened this whole set,
Right.
that nothing's freed up any. Does that feel pretty solid?
Yeah, that's solid.
Yeah. All right. Oh, using the step? You just hop out? You just jump straight out. All right, so we just wrapped up with the install, and we're gonna get some impressions. What are you thinking so far?
Oh man, this is awesome. Great job, Steve. This looks absolutely beautiful. You got the sun hitting on it, the N-Fab EpYx steps. So that way, for all of us short people, you can get right up in it, but it's got a real aggressive look to it. It's all traction and everything slipping out of it. So when
Powder coated with the grip.
Powder coated with the grip when it's snowy out.
Making them dirty already.
But, it looks mean. It looks sweet.
There you go. An already aggressive truck looking even better.
Purchase from realtruck.com. They got some great discounts, affordable, and please subscribe to Steve's video.
That's it, Taco Bear Studios.
And until next time.
Hey, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.